A carpet can transform a room, adding warmth and comfort. But over time, dust, dirt, and stains settle deep within its fibers. Today, we take you through the modern way of deep cleaning carpets, using advanced washing equipment and plenty of water. Using a hot water extraction machine, we spray heated water mixed with eco-friendly cleaning agents onto the carpet. This process lifts deep-seated dirt and bacteria. We apply a pre-treatment solution to loosen stubborn stains and heavy traffic areas. Now, the real magic begins. The powerful brushes scrub the fibers while the high-suction vacuum extracts the dirty water instantly, leaving the carpet refreshed and sanitized. To ensure no residue is left behind, we rinse the carpet thoroughly with fresh water. This step helps maintain the carpet's texture and prolongs its lifespan. Using powerful water extraction machines, we remove up to 90% of moisture, significantly reducing drying time. A moisture meter ensures the carpet is almost dry before final finishing. A light deodorizing treatment is also applied, leaving behind a fresh, clean scent. The carpet is now clean, fresh, and free from dirt and bacteria. With modern technology and water-based cleaning methods, your carpets can always look their best.